Hello again, welcome to Amazing Background. This is Camelia, and today I want to show you this beautiful island in Istanbul. First of all, I want to thank you for choosing my video, and it's my pleasure to support me by subscribing and setting the bell to get the notifications. The Princess Islands, Adalar in Turkish, are an archipelago in the Sea of Marmara. They are a small haven of peace in Istanbul and the perfect place to relax and enjoy nature. During summer, I recommend you to get there on weekdays rather than weekends because they are invaded by the townspeople and the tourists. They owe their name to the fact that during the Byzantine period, the imperial family and disgraced aristocrats were exiled in the monasteries on the islands. They then became the favorite weekend destinations of the Ottoman aristocracy, and even today you will find many Victorian style villas. These beautiful islands are accessible by ferry from Beşiktaş, Eminönü and Kabataş from the European side, and Kadıköy and Bostancı from the Asian side. One of the interesting aspects of the Princess Islands is that the archipelago is a real ethnic and cultural mix. Each island has a majority religious community. Kinaliada was a holiday resort of Armenian bishops and Armenians from Istanbul. Buyukada was a village of Greek fishermen. Heybeliada was the island of Turkish and Greek bourgeoisie of Constantinople. And finally, the biggest island, Buyukada, was popular among Jews and Europeans from Istanbul, although each community is present on the island. You can still find on all the islands many active synagogues, churches, and mosques. Buyukada is really nice place. You can spend a full day here without any problem. There are lots of things to see and visit. You can get the best photos here. Of course, everything in Istanbul is amazing, but Buyukada is really special. Even for a person not a fan of history, even bit of these places grabs your attention and amazes you. Don't forget to subscribe me and setting the bell to get the notifications. And it makes me happy that comment me if you've been there, what was your experience. Walking in this island is so enjoyable and exciting, and hope you enjoy this walking tour too.